Welcome to the exciting world of software development. Whether you're just dipping your toes or diving headfirst into this field, this video will guide you through what it entails and what you can expect to do as a developer. Let's get this party started. First, let's demystify what software development is all about with a definition. At its core, software development is the process of creating, designing, implementing, and maintaining software applications or systems. For instance, imagine developing a navigation app that helps users find the fastest routes in a city, or creating a healthcare management system that securely stores patient records and facilitates efficient medical service delivery. It's like being a digital architect, crafting solutions to real-world problems using the language of computers. What this translates to is that you get to build cool stuff on your computer that runs on other computers. And to allow you to build software, you're going to use other software. Tools like this Integrated Development Environment, or IDE as it's commonly known, allow you to manage your files, view a single file or multiple files, and also to view the output of your program or the piece of code you are currently working on or testing. So let's unpack what the key tasks of a developer involve. As a developer, your journey often starts with understanding what the end users need. You'll work closely with clients or stakeholders to grasp the problem they want to solve or the functionality they want to achieve. Whether you're working on sensor technology for nighttime lighting, creating interactive web apps, or designing tools for travel planning, it all starts by listening closely to your clients or stakeholders. This helps you grasp exactly what challenges or features are required. Once you have a clear picture, there are three main types of requirements to consider. Functional requirements. These are the specific features your software must have, such as detecting light levels, user interaction buttons, or trip planning tools. Non-functional requirements. These cover how your software should perform, like ensuring sensor accuracy, website responsiveness, or data security. And technical requirements. These detail the technology aspects and constraints guiding your choice of hardware for sensors, web development frameworks, or database integrations. Now it's time to put on your creative hat and design a solution. Imagine you're planning a new music streaming app called Airwaves. Here's how you would approach it. To start, you'll conceptualize the overall architecture by outlining its core features: playlist creation, song library access, track search, and personalized recommendations. Next, you'll break down Airwaves into smaller, manageable components. These include user authentication for secure logins, ensuring data protection, high-quality music streaming that adapts to different internet speeds, playlist management for a personalized music experience, and recommendation algorithms that learn from your behavior to suggest new music. Finally, you'll determine how these components interact seamlessly. For example, once you log in, you can access your playlists, stream music without interruptions, manage playlists in real time, and receive tailored recommendations based on your listening habits. And then comes the fun part, coding. This is where you bring your designs to life using programming languages like the one you will use in this certificate, Java. There are many different programming languages out there, and no matter which one you use, you'll write lines of code to implement the logic, functionality, and behavior of the software. This might be new territory, but remember, practice makes perfect. Once you've written the code, it's crucial to ensure that it works as intended. Testing involves running various test cases to identify bugs, errors, or unexpected behavior. Debugging, on the other hand, is the process of fixing these issues by tracing through the code, identifying the root cause, and making the necessary corrections. Next, let's talk about something that might surprise you. Contrary to the stereotypical nerdy picture of a software developer alone behind big screens, software development is rarely a solo endeavor. You'll often find yourself collaborating with other developers, designers, testers, and project managers. Communication skills are key here. Effective communication ensures that everyone's efforts align, whether through meetings, emails, or collaboration tools like Slack or GitHub. It's crucial for ensuring all stakeholders are working towards the same goal. And guess what? Another key task in your day will be what you are doing right now. The world of technology is constantly evolving, with new languages, frameworks, and tools emerging all the time. As a developer, having a growth mindset and being open to learning new things is essential. Whether attending workshops, reading blogs, or experimenting with personal projects, continuous learning is the secret sauce to staying ahead in this field. Let's move on to the last two essential software development tasks, starting with version control. Ever worked on a project, made a change, and then realized you've messed something up? Version control systems like Git come to the rescue. They allow you to track changes to your code, collaborate with others seamlessly, and revert to previous versions if needed. Trust me, mastering version control will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Last, but certainly not least, documentation is your best friend as a developer. Writing clear and concise documentation ensures that your code is understandable not only to others but also to your future self. It includes things like technical documentation for fellow developers, like the example displayed on screen. And it also includes comments within your code and README files outlining how to use your software. This video walked you through the bigger picture of software development. You now know about the key tasks that software development entails, stretching from understanding requirements, designing solutions, the actual coding, to testing and debugging. Moreover, it involves collaboration, continuous learning, version control, and finally documentation. While this field may seem completely unfamiliar at first, remember that every great developer was once a beginner too. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your victories, and never stop learning. With dedication, curiosity, and a sprinkle of creativity, you'll be crafting incredible software solutions in no time. Welcome to the world of software development. It's going to be an exciting journey.